Hey friends, let's make a cute DIY. This little square thing here piece of wood I got from the Family Dollar store, and I think it's going to make a super cute little thing. This brown is called, I'm trying to think of what it's called, Jill. I don't even remember the name of it. I don't have it on my thing. So anyway, it's kind of a reddish brown color. And I'm going to paint both sides, front, back, and around the edges. I'm going to give this a good dry. If you guys hear noise in the background, Mr. Randy's doing the dishes tonight while I do my fast video. So this is all good and done. You guys are going to see me just paint here. We're going to paint and make a cute little item that I hope you guys will enjoy. I'm calling it my little sandwich. You guys will see here in a minute. It'll take me just a second to get this going. Put some black in here. This color red is it's called Crimson Red. It's my favorite red at Christmas. It's a true red. I really love it. I think it's pretty. We're going to go outline this in black. And then I'm going to take a little bit of red and black and mix it together. And that's going to go on the bottom of the nose to give it some shadowing. And we'll come back in with just a little bit of red. I feel like I overdid that one. And then we're going to add a little highlight on the nose and some highlights in the eyes. Y'all see how this is coming together. It's going to be so stinking cute. We're going to put his little smile on here. We're going to put a highlight in that little smile. Some blush on each side. And then you guys, I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. My heat tool was not heated up, so I had to kind of just take a second and get everything heated up. So then I decided to go back and touch up the eyes, and I think my heat tool is now ready to go. So we're going to start adding the stuff around the outside of our little gingerbread. This is Rick Rack, and you can find this in the ribbon section at Hobby Lobby. Y'all, look at this. This is what I'm calling my gingerbread sandwich. I think it's so stinking cute. It's not a gingerbread sandwich, y'all, but I just think it's cute. I am loving the gingerbreads this year. Normally, I don't make a ton of gingerbread, but I think this is so sweet. And I'm going to add Rick Rack for the hanger, and then we're going to go around the edges. And this ribbon that has a Rick Rack look to it. So this is supposed to be like a gingerbread ribbon. So I'm going to use it as well. Super, super cute, y'all. And I think I might put a bow on this here in a minute. I just decided to stop with this here, but I may put a bow on it. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching.